Look at this mint clean, only got 44,000 miles on it. 2015 Hyundai Genesis Coupe 3.8 liter. It's crazy, it's only got 44,000 miles on it. That's awesome. Got factory converter, one there. Another factory converter there. Secondaries there. Then it was into a single. Left the resonator on. He didn't want a lot of rasp. Then 2.5-inch pipe. And we did a custom Y pipe on it, as you guys can see there. Look at that. Very nice, very clean. Into duals out the back, because the muffler comes single in, dual out. And then we put two sexy tips on it. There and there. Black chrome. As you guys can see. It came out really nice, really clean. There's the muffler that was on it, right there. Comes single in, so you guys know, and dual outlet. There and there. Looks a lot better, a lot cleaner now. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. That is perfect. What do you think, man? Yes? Yes. Let's see. Look at his face. People at school not gonna like it. That sounds so good. It's perfect. You didn't have to spend the $100. Your sound decibels? Right at 111. Again? That sounds good. Don't do anything else to it, dude. It sounds perfect. It's not obnoxious, nothing. It's just clean.
Yeah, I like that deep.
Yeah.
People at store,
Hyundai Genesis. It's so deep. That's so good. Because it's the 3.8. See? We can make V6s sound good. Come on, guys. I like it. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Hyundai Genesis 3.8 liter 2015 muffler delete and quad tips. Here's the old muffler. I like the 3.8s, man. They sound so good on these. Wow, that thing flies. This sounds so good. Enjoy, guys.